Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Axon 30, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, open up your settings. From here, navigate to storage, there we go. Select your SD card, and from here you can select format. This will bring up a message letting you know that formatting your SD card will remove everything from it. So if you keep anything on your card that you would like to keep, do make a copy of it somewhere else before you proceed any further. Otherwise, your data will be completely lost and this cannot be undone. You could create a copy somewhere, for instance, on your computer if you want to. Now, assuming you don't want to or you have already done the copy, you can proceed by selecting OK. Now this only takes a couple seconds and should be right about done. Any moment now. There we go. So once it's done, click on the done button and that's it. You can close this off and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.